Hi, this is Malaika here, and I study at College of Fine Arts from Painting Department. And we have Drushosava 2026 happening right now here. And what I would like to say about the overall exhibition here is that we as students have stepped out of our department and have done various works here. You can see range of works starting from paper to installations to canvas to experimenting with different materials, mediums, and we have a lot of certain works which is based on research and their point of views and how they look at certain topics and ideologies and philosophies here. And I feel like you can see even the ceramic department as well as the printmaking department and sculpture, they have stepped beyond their own department. They have worked with installations. You can see printmaking works which is done beyond the prints, the graphic artwork that you say. You can see a lot of experimentation with motion. You can see a lot of interactive sort of work. There's sound installation. There's yeah, you can see videos, photographs. Overall, I feel like this entire exhibition have come across to be very different from the past few years because we have stepped over outside our department and experimented. That's the main thing about it. And I would love to give thanks to our mentors and our HODs for always supporting, giving the liberty and freedom to explore and go beyond certain material and always encouraged, pushed us by always supporting us. They not only were with us in terms of work, they were there with us when we had problems related to life. They listened to us. They were there in our happy times and our sad times. We have gone there crying. We have been there laughing, having a very good bond with them. And I feel like if we ever had to come back to college once again and come back to our memories to our back to our college, we'll always come for these memories, for these people, for this learning that we've got from this college. And so I have worked with a lot of different mediums, including printmaking, ceramic, and painting. And I have, like in this work right here, I have also worked with paper and acrylic sheet. It's a sort of an interactive work. I am talking about childhood here. I have used my old photographs of my siblings, myself, and my cousins, and I have reimagined board games. So this is a snake and ladders here that you can see. It's reimagined in terms of my childhood memories, the photographs that say a certain story. And here you can see some ceramic work which bring back to your nostalgia. Right here there are miniatures of certain work, and every person that comes here interacts with the work. They remember their core memories that they have related to that work, and they'll be like, oh, I remember this, I had this, I played with this, or I had this certain thing, and it brings them back to their childhood. And the work right here also that you can see, I have taken inspiration from the board game Ludo, but I have kept the common theme of childhood there. I'm talking about my hometown, I'm talking about my childhood, I'm talking about my memories with nostalgia and playfulness that I had during my childhood. I'm talking the essence about it. I have reimagined Ludo in a way where the home is, in my work, is like my house in my hometown, and the four corners of the Ludo is like the four common places that I used to go when I was a kid. So it's always leading back to home, like just like how in Ludo game you always lead back to the home in the center. Similarly, I have done two other paintings here where I've been inspired by the style of miniature, not in terms of how they do it, but in terms of lines. I like the quality of lines that they use in miniature. I have taken a very contemporary approach to it, and I have done a colorful work. I have depicted my hometown house and the landscape around my house in that style. And you can take and have a look. You can see, you can spot different monkeys doing different actions and activity there. I am showing like the kids, the nature of kids in terms of like how monkeys are. They're always crawling, doing something funny, running around, jumping. So that's how kids are when they're young. And that's all about it. And you tend to seek these monkeys in the work. So it's like similar how you play hide and seek game. You seek your players. Similarly, that's how the work is being interacted in this work. Here I'm showing the landscape, how I see when I step out of my house. So from my door, so that's what the work says, from the doorstep to the horizon. That's the title of the work. I get out of the house and how I see the view in front of my house. That's how I depicted the work. And here also you can see a very interactive thing of the monkey is leading you in certain activity, and then you keep following the path when you go to the horizon. So that's all about my work. Yeah, overall, I would like to say, please do come and witness this show and have a great time. Please interact with us. You will find a lot of different budding artists here. Yes, please do come, and yeah, thank you.